Follow me unbox my LED Pro 800 lights. It comes with a tripod stand and I'll be unboxing it today. So this is how it looks. It comes with this big LED lights. So this is a light. It comes with an adapter charger for lights and this stuff, I don't know what it's called. It comes with 2 batteries. I'll be telling you the little I know about it. And this batteries, this is the way you charge the battery. When there's light, you just put the battery into the stuff, then you remove the plug and connect it directly to the wall socket or your extension. So this adapter charger is the one you use when there is light, but we're not going to be using the lights now. Mind you, remove both batteries before connecting to the electricity. This is the switch to turn it on, either with electricity or with the battery. In this video, we're going to be using just the battery and we're not going to be using electricity. So this is how to fix the battery at the back of the lights. So when you fix the battery, you see the light is turned on. You can also change the color of the lights or either increase or reduce the lights from the switch at the back. So this is how it looks like when the light is turned on. It comes in 3 different shades: the white color, the yellow color, and the natural color, which is somehow dim. So I'll be putting off the lights using the switch at the back, and then I'll show you how to set up this light on the tripod stand. This stuff also came with it. Indeed, I don't know what it's called. It helps to make the light stand firm on the tripod stand. So I'll be showing you how to fix this. So you screw it on the tripod stand and make sure it's tight enough and not shaking. So you screw the lights also. So this is it. This is it. It's bendable. It's the way you want it. So now this is how your lights looks like on the tripod stand. Thank you for watching. Bye.